So you've been using LibreOffice or even WPS Office to sort the brand versus brand food sheets that's really improved your health. This has been great, but now you realize the power of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office provides you with all the tools that you'll ever need and is far easier to use, so you really want the software, but you really don't want the price. In that case, this video is for you. Welcome to the PowerPlan Information Technology Zone. How to purchase your copy of Office 2021 Professional for only £6.99. How to get your desktop or laptop version of Office 2021 for £6.99 in March 2022 using Online Activation Digital License. Before we begin, I would like to confirm that I am not receiving any money for this information and I have purchased 2 copies of Office 2021 using this service. These versions have been used when making this video on the Windows 10 and 11 platforms. The Office software is marked as registered and Microsoft freely updates the product without any warning, blocking or issues with the Office 2021 software. That being said, you can get your Office 2021 today for only £6.99 in the UK. Enter https://ms-keys.co.uk or see the link in the description below this video. Scroll down looking for Office 2021. Click on the Office 2021 product picture to see full details of the software. Please note that this is the more expensive Microsoft Office 2021 Professional Plus. Earlier in this video we quoted the less expensive Microsoft Office 2021 Home and Student Edition. This costs £119.99 and only allows you access to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Click on Add to Cart and buy now using debit or credit card. Alternatively, you can use PayPal. Once the purchase has been accepted, after around an hour, you will receive an email that includes the license key for Microsoft Office 2021 Professional Plus and a download link. Click on the download link. Once downloaded, run the install process and enter the product key when prompted. All done, as you now have your version of Microsoft Office 2021 Professional Plus installed on your personal computer. If you have enjoyed this video, then let us know in the comments any questions about the food sheets or how to sort tables in Microsoft, WPS, or LibreOffice. We are happy to respond to the comments below this video. Until next time, take care and thanks for watching.
You made it to the end of this video, so please consider giving it a thumbs up. Why not share it with your family and friends on social media who will also find this video interesting? More people watching increases awareness of what we do, resulting in more people improving their health, escaping diabetes, and losing weight. Take care and we will see you in the next video.